Hello, I'm Dennis Woods, the Video Manager at Coash and Coash Reporting and Video. Today we're going to discuss how to set up a breakout room within the Zoom platform. It's really imperative that before you use Zoom on your computer that you have the most recent version of Zoom installed. So let's get started. When you move your cursor around the Zoom window, a bar will appear at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see your Breakout Rooms icon. The Breakout Rooms icon is only visible to the host and co-host at this point. None of your other participants attending the Zoom deposition can see this icon. Let's go ahead and create some breakout rooms. The host, reporter, or videographer will create the rooms by doing these next few steps. Let's select the breakout room icon. The breakout room icon opens the Create Breakout Rooms window. For this particular demonstration, we want to create 2 breakout rooms. So now we have 2 breakout rooms selected. Notice that the Assign Automatically line is selected. We always want to let the participants choose the room. So we select Choose Room. Now we're going to move forward and create the rooms. Now the rooms have been created. You notice we have a room 1 and a room 2. At this particular point, we want to rename the rooms. For the demonstration, let's call room 1 Plaintiff, room 2 Defense. Now you see the rooms have been changed. We have Plaintiff and Defense. At the bottom of this window, you'll see options. We want to make sure that the Allow Participants to Choose Room is selected. Allow Participants to Return to the main session at any time is selected. You can leave these 2 unchecked. At the bottom, we see Countdown After Closing. In the event the host or co-host has to close a room, the participants have 60 seconds to leave the breakout room. If for some reason you need to recreate the rooms, just select Recreate, and you can recreate the rooms or rename them at any time by coming back to the top and hit Rename. If you need to delete them, you will delete them by selecting these 2. We will never assign the rooms. If you ever need to add a room because someone is requesting an additional room, just click Add Room. Now we want to open all rooms. Select Open All Rooms. At this point, all participants have been invited to join the breakout room. Now you can just close this window. Now at this point, all of your participants can see the breakout room icon at the bottom of their screen. During a break, when they decide to join a breakout room, the participants will select the breakout room icon and they will join whichever room they care to join. In the event they're still in the breakout session and they're requested to join the Zoom deposition, you can send the broadcast message out at this point or select Close Room and the room will close in 60 seconds. Let's go ahead and close, and now we're ready to proceed with our deposition. When the council takes a break and the parties wish to join a breakout room, each participant will select the breakout room icon. They will select the room they care to join. Let's join the plaintiff room. The window will open to make sure they're going into the correct room. Join plaintiff room. Yes, let's join the plaintiff room. You will see a little bit of a metamorphosis here where the screen goes through a few changes as we transition to the breakout room. Now that I'm in the breakout room, I will stay in the breakout room as long as I want, or we'll wait until they call us back to the room, whichever we deem fit. When you're ready to return to the main deposition, select at the lower right corner, Leave Room. At the bottom of this list of commands, you want to select Leave Room. Now we're going through a few more metamorphoses where the screen reconfigures itself and it says you are now in the main room and we're back in the main room. That is it. Now that we've went over each step to set up a Zoom breakout room, there's a few other items I would like to share with you. Number 1, while you're in the breakout room, one-on-one with your client, I want you to rest assured that you're in total privacy. Audio and video cannot be recorded. Number 2, while you're in the Zoom breakout room with your client, if you care to share a document, an exhibit with your client using the share screen function, it's totally possible. Number 3, if you've been in the breakout room just a little too long and the other parties are ready to resume the deposition, you will receive a broadcast message from our host asking you to return to the Zoom deposition. At that point, you have roughly 30 seconds before that particular breakout room session closes. So again, thank you. I trust this has been added value to you. If you have any questions regarding any function that Zoom has to offer, please call our office. We're willing to help at any given moment. Thank you once again.